Hey, what's up? What's up, good people? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. What's up? What's up, good people? Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good midnight, good whatever it is, wherever you are on air. It's your boy again this evening, David, live from IFX Studio. Please, people, before we go on, please, I would really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button on all of my social media pages, be it Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. People, this is Great Britain Pound USD. Please, let's just go on and analyze the market and see what will happen in this market. This market has been like this for more than 5 months that I've analyzed it, that the market is climbing up. So I'll be telling you what will happen, what has been happening in this market, what I see that happens in this market, and what I believe that will happen next year, January, in this market, because we're a few days to the new year. So let's get down to business. So let's start our analysis. Let's start our analysis by let me see. Okay. It's 2018, 2019, 2020. 2020 starts from somewhere here. You got it. Well, this year, should we want to give it to a currency? Should we want to give it to a currency that breaks out? Should we want to give it a percentage? We're gonna call it 57.43. I will call it 57.43. You understand? Because at the beginning of this year, USD began to swap the market on the 23rd of January. I believe USD was doing this earlier than that. Sorry, people. Okay. Okay, the market opened back in January 3, 2020. You understand? USD showed some promising move. It kept raging. When it got to March 9, 2020, during the pandemic, US dollar was able to bring down the market, was able to forecast, was able to auto statement. It brought down the market at March 9, and it brought it down till, let me see, brought it down till March 19. 10 working days USD dominate the market. You get it, in a very, very dynamic fashion. You understand? No. Yeah, March 9. Yeah. 10 10 business working days, USD was able to bring down the market, was able to order a statement. You understand? Was able to order a statement. You understand? USD was able to order a statement. USD was able to say something. USD was able to prove some things in the market and show us that USD is dominant in this market. You get it? That's from January, from January 1st till March 19th. And before you know what's going on, Great Britain pound took over the market and it started climbing up slowly. You understand? Within a month, within March 20 till March 27th, Great Britain pound was able to within 7 business working days, Great Britain pound was able to catch up with more than half of what US dollar has done in 10 business working days. Great Britain pound was able to catch up with it, which is a very, very good thing. So let's get going. You understand? USD tried to bring it down. Great Britain pound took it up. You understand? Because all this era was the era of the pandemic. You understand? And it keep climbing up. It keep climbing up. It keep climbing up. Sorry, people. It's keep climbing up and keep climbing and keep climbing and keep climbing and keep climbing. You understand? It's keep climbing and it keep going. It's keep climbing. It's keep going. It's keep climbing. It's keep going. You understand? From the climbing of the Great Britain pound started from March 9 March 20, 2020, and it keep going, and up and up. USD was trying to like fight it, but the strength of Great Britain pound and the balance and the stamina balance was showing us that Great Britain pound is taking the market to a new, to a new diaspora. Great Britain pound just keep going. You get it? So you know what? If I'm even to give this market a percentage, I'll give it 65-35 exactly, because from what I can see here, you understand, Great Britain pound really tried. It carries a very, very heavy burden. You know what? Should you know how USD react on the market, you know that USD is not an easy currency. It's not just a currency that you come and you just joke on and all that. USD is straight up crazy sometimes. You get it? So just look at the market. Great Britain pound keep climbing up seriously. You understand? Keep going up seriously. And I drew this like 5 months ago, that I drew all this trend line that I did, all this, more than 5 months ago, as I'm looking at it. And the market keep responding to everything. The market keep responding to everything that I've analyzed, which is a very good thing, which is something that I really, 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 really like. You get it? So this is something, this is something that really shows what's going on in the market, stability, movement and all that, and the market keep going. You understand? The market keep going. You understand? The market keep proving itself. You understand? Great Britain pound keep proving itself. I drew all this, and I said it that should it break out here, it's gonna go, but it ain't gonna go for long, which it did. You understand? It have a shadow, which is a tail, then it reversed back, because Great Britain pound, US dollar stamina wasn't enough. Great Britain pound was able to take over the market and start moving up. Okay, let me ask you something. This new candlestick that you're seeing that open, we're still in the Eastern time in North America. We're still on today's Thursday. We're still on Thursday. The Europeans are on Friday already. So this is Friday candle. You can see USD is trying to prove something, but you know what? What do you think is going to happen with this candle? Do you want to tell me it's an uptrend or it's a downtrend? You understand? You can see how promising US dollar is proving itself. You know what? From my own statistics, from my own price action calculation, from me and my team's price action calculation, I'll tell you that this market is an uptrend. You get it? This very candle is an uptrending candle. You get it? So I'm in this market, but I'm going to set another buy limit, another buy stop in this very angle, that is 1.3507. You understand? I'm going to set another buy stop in that very angle, and believe me when I say it, this market is definitely going up. I'm going to show you in the morning. I'm going to show you this result of this in the morning, so people keep it in mind. I'm talking about the result of Great Britain pound USD. You understand? So should you see the market now, look at how it's going. Everybody will be like, whoa, USD is still dominating the market. It's going down. Oh yeah. You'll see what will happen. You understand? You'll see what will happen. I just give you like 20 hours from now. You see what the result of this market will be. You understand? Because left to me is an uptrending market. This is what I see. I don't know what you see. You can see US dollar is moving at a very, very desperate pace. You understand? US dollar is trying to prove itself. It's dominating. It's hitting the market out. It's like proving itself, which is a very, very good thing. It's a very phenomenal good thing. You know what, people? Please just 1 second. Let me just set the trade. Because I told you that I'm gonna put a buy limit. Somewhere there. So let me set it on my other computer, please. Let me just let me set it. Sorry, people, I'm coming. And here we go. No. Hit the market. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, boy. Please, please, please. Come on. And it's time. Yeah, time. So I've already, put the buy stop and all that, So US dollar is coming down, so promising right now. Everybody's looking at it like, wow, wow, wow. US dollar is dominating the market. So you're gonna see in the morning. You're gonna see. I'm not talking about the morning. You're gonna see in 20 hours time. Let's look at where this market is going from. But from my own transaction statistics, I believe this market is going up. You understand? So let's get down to business. Let's get down to what we've been doing. So when people look at this now, people feel like, whoa, yeah, the market is coming down. This is exactly what the market is supposed to do. Well, to me, I don't see the market doing exactly what you think it's going to do, because what I'm saying here is that the market is going to do exactly what the price action is saying right now. So people, please, I want to change the strategy of all these candlestick. I want to change the strategy of all this trend line that I drew in the market. I want to give you guys a new thing. You understand? I want to give you guys a new kind of, a new kind of formation that the market is trying to prove. I'm so sorry. You understand? So this is what I'll do, Okay. Yeah. Let me clone this. Okay, do this like this. Okay, no. Okay, so let me clone this. Sorry, people. I'm just clone like 3. Okay, very good. So this is 1. This is sorry. Okay. This is 2. This is 3. Okay, now let's go like this. Okay, so we do it like this, and we put this here. Well, it's gonna go like this. You got it. So it's gonna go like that. Yeah. No. Let me just wait. Okay, let me put it like this. Then we put another one here. Now, so you could see this. You could see this straight up. This straight up trend line that I drew here. So you could see it hits that very position. You got it. So let me take this, and this is gonna be like this. So this is gonna be for the hit out point. Then it hit back exactly up. So don't let me put this here. Let me just put it here. You get it? Because fine. Hit below what I said, but right now I'm seeing this market going up. So this is what I see, people. Please let me know what you think. Let me know what you see in this market. I've already told you that I see this market to be an uptrending market. You can see what US dollar is doing at the moment. The new day candle has been open, which is the Friday candle. That's the one operating right now. And to me, I believe this is an uptrending market. So people, I don't know what you see in this market, but please let me know. Please just drop a comment in the leave your comment in the comment section below, just like I said. So people, please trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God bless us all. and have a good one. And apart from that, please, I'll really appreciate it if you could support your boy. Share, like, share, subscribe, click the notification button on all of my social media pages: Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat. Also, okay, peoples, you're not more than this for now, and please, let's await the result of what I've just said. That is an uptrending market, and people, have a good one. See you on my next trade. See you on my next trading analysis. Sorry, I got a lot on my mind. Sorry.
Be humble. Really, no matter what you have, you can be a very powerful person, a very wealthy person, a very popular person, a very good-looking person. You can be whatever. But you need to be humble. People will love you when you're down to earth, when you are a normal human being like everyone else.